This tornado seems to be tracking through the northwest here. According to social media, this tornado is a large wedge tornado, and based on what I'm seeing here, this tornado has impacted majorly rural areas of West Virginia, but this is heading for the Charleston area. I can't stress enough to anyone within the Charleston area, you need to take cover now. Go to a basement or just an interior room on the lowest floor without windows. Don't take shelter at the last minute. The tornado warning has been upgraded to a tornado emergency. I can't stress enough, folks, you need to be underground now.
Tornado emergency for Charleston, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a tornado warning for Campbell County in southeastern West Virginia until 12:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:34 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the confirmed largest destructive tornado was observed over Norrie Airport on the local Creek Park, moving west-northwest at 45 miles an hour. Tornado emergency for Charleston, West Virginia. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flight will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Most homes will be destroyed. Consider the damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles as likely as complete destruction as possible. Locations affected include Charleston, Dunbar, Walter Creek Park, El City Historic District, Allwood, Newberwood, Fort Hill, Walter Creek Golf Course, Yeager Airport, Norrie Airport, Meadowwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 77 between mile markers 99 and 101. Interstate 64 between mile markers 56 and 58A. This includes Suite 119. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in an open home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris.
He is pushing out a whopper, isn't he? He is definitely shifting a big, sturdy breakfast.